Good morning from Chicago, the risk management capital of the world. I'm Alan Nuckman here at the CME Group with the Morning Market Stir for Thursday, February the 4th. Wipeout Wednesday did bounce back. Markets were sharply lower, came back to positive in 2 out of the 3 indexes. E-mini S&P finished up 11 at 1908.5 after a sharp sell-off. Dow futures up 172 at the close, 16,263 was the finish, and the Nasdaq was down 2% at one time, but did claw back to a 0.5% loss. The finish there in the Nasdaq 100 was 41.72, down 20 points, but much better than it was. Big reversals in a lot of other markets. The dollar was down 160, 97.30. We talked about how it stalled out and couldn't push that 100 level, and now we're seeing some sellers there. That gave the euro currency a big bounce, 111.03, pushing above that 110 that we talked about as resistance, up 176 on the session. Bonds were also in play. 164 was the high, the highest level in price since April, therefore pushing down yields really hard. The finish was 162.12, so there was a little bit of profit taking, but that's a big day in the Treasury market. Crude oil also powering higher, up $2.40 at 32.30, solidly above that $30 pivot level that we keep an eye on. Yesterday's session high was 32.75, and gold up $14, the highest that we've seen since October. We're looking at 1141 in that gold market. So you've seen how the dollar pressure has helped out some of these commodities markets. So after the action yesterday, that did bounce back. Where do we stand here on this Thursday morning? Well, right now the E-mini S&P is down 2, holding at 1906. Dow futures down 15 at 16,245, and the Nasdaq's down 3 at 41.69. The dollar continues to slide, 96.74, down 57. And the euro currency at 112 right now, up 98 points. So we've seen a quick move here in that currency market after it traded sideways for the longest time. Treasuries right now, 162.03 in the 30-year, down 9 ticks. Crude oil's unchanged at 32.25, and gold's up another $5 at 11.46. So to wrap up this current action with 2 hours to go before the cash stock market open, we've got steadiness, I guess is the word we want to use in the stock indexes right now. We're down 2 in the S&P, down 15 in the Dow, and down 3 in the Nasdaq after that big reversal yesterday. I will see you early Friday morning for your Morning Market Stir to set up your trading day. Alan Nuckman here at the CME Group, where it all comes back to commodities.